Welcome all to the session. My name is Webho. I'm a principal data scientist at Johnson & Johnson Vision Care Ireland. And today we are going to talk about how data science and machine learning, how they are helping, how they're enabling manufacturing and supply chain. We know about manufacturing and supply chain. We know what they do, what they are good for, what are the advantages. We'll talk about some of the use cases, and then we would deep dive into a case study. And over the last, 5 minutes, we can have the question and answers. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. $21,721 billion. That was the contribution of manufacturing to global GDP in 2018. Business Wire. $29,040 million. That is the projected supply chain solutions market size in 2025. PR Newswire. And $395 billion. That is the projected global smart manufacturing market size by 2025. Grandview Research. Now, the objective of these three big figures was obviously to grab your attention. But that solidifies one point over and over again, that manufacturing and supply chain, they cannot be ignored. They cannot be left aloof from the other functions of the business, where data science, machine learning, and AI, they are creating huge impact. Like many success stories that run in the business, they might be around customer analytics or marketing analytics or campaign management or product recommendation or customer experience. But when it comes to manufacturing is considered as a dry area or drier area when it comes to implementation of data. Yeah. So, but that's not completely true. Might be true to a certain extent, but not completely true. So let's explore how can data science help in manufacturing. So the objective is to migrate from manufacturing to smart manufacturing. So it starts with demand forecasting. Based on the historical parameters that we have, can we forecast the demand of our products in the future, our services in the future? And we do have a plethora of historical data points for that, based on products, based on geography, based on time of the year. We forecast our demands to the maximum possible extent. The algorithms are usual suspect, starting with the basic analysis to our time series, ARIMAs, and random forest-based regression models, and neural network-based models, which are helpful in forecasting the demand, which allows us to procure raw materials in a much more optimized manner and reduce the cost as much as possible. Predictive maintenance. We know that on a manufacturing